this is Momo. Today I'm in Shimokitazawa now, and I came to grill and beer sizzle, and I'm going to eat gyutang. Gyutang is a beef tongue. Beef tongue. Have you ever tried beef tongue before? It's really popular in Japan, so I will show you guys what gyutang looks like. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry now, so yeah, let's eat. Itadakimasu. Veggie first. I like this taste. A little bit of sesame oil taste. It's good. Finally, gyutang. Itadakimasu. So good. Oishii. I love gyutang so much. It's soft, but not too soft, and I like the taste as well. So taste, simple is the best, and I like this totoro too. In Japan, people usually do put some totoro on your rice. Itadakimasu. It's good. If it's not taste enough, you can put some soy sauce. But I'm fine. So. And what kind of soup? I'm not full yet, so let's eat something sweet. Next, we are going to that donuts place, Captain's Donuts. Which one should I choose? I'm trying to avoid gluten, so. すいません。じゃーん。Looks so good. And this is really warm. Today's a little bit chilly, so that's what I needed. Itadakimasu. Oishii-sugiru. めちゃめちゃ美味しい. This is warm and this is cold. It's ice cream, so good combination, and I love it. So good. I chose plain. So there's also chocolate, tea taste. Yeah, some other tastes too. So you can choose what you like. Oishii. So good. I love it. Not too sweet, because I'm not a big fan of sweets, but even I like it. I came to Orange Waffle Cafe. This cafe I found on Tabelogoo, and the rate was pretty high. And also I wanted to have waffles, so yeah, I chose this place. And I ordered this one, chili beans waffle with cheddar cheese waffle. I'm so excited. ただきます。Looks so good. I'm going to cut waffle. いただきます。It's good. 美味しい。Yeah, let's put some maple syrup on waffles. いただきます。Oh,おいしい。You can enjoy waffle as a sweet and also as a meal. You can enjoy both way. This is good. I love it. I like this chili beans too. I can't eat spicy food, but this is not too spicy. Actually, this is not spicy at all. Yeah. Just a little bit. I felt a little bit of chili. But anyways, this is so good. I like both way. I came to Rokkaku. It's really close to Shimokitazawa station. And this restaurant is izakaya. Izakaya style Japanese restaurant. And I ordered corn tea. And what I ordered is sashimi. I'm so excited. I eat a lot today. I'm worried about my weight, but yeah, today's okay. いただきます。I ordered too much, I guess. But it's okay. Today is my cheat day. いただきます。Okay, first, I'm gonna eat うずらの卵の西京漬け。Interesting. Okay. Next, sawara. It's not sawara. Sawara. Spanish mackerel. いただきます。Okay, some soy sauce. This is good. I love it. Actually, this is my first time to try sawara, Spanish mackerel. This is so good. Okay, next, amberjack. I really recommend you to have sashimi here. Down for today. It's already dark. I had a lot of food today. I'm a big eater, but even for me, I'm so full right now. I don't need any food anymore. But I had so much fun in Shimokitazawa. I can really recommend you guys to come to Shimokitazawa. There's so many cafes, sweets, good food. So yeah, you should come to Shimokitazawa when you come to Japan. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. And please subscribe my channel and follow my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next video.